Siguro po nung nagdaang Kapaskuhan at mga nagdaang linggo, sa madaming pong pagkakataon tayo po ay nakatanggap. Bagay man iyan, mga bagong karanasan o mga karanasan na nagbalik muli, mga taong na-miss natin o anumang mga bagay ito. Pero sa kabilang banda, tatanggapin din po natin na kahit tayo po ay nakakatanggap, alam natin at walang mintis po itong katotohanan na ito. God has been giving Himself to each and every one of us, and even in His own ways and means. Regalo at biyaya ang nasa atin at ibinibigay ng Diyos ang kanyang sarili sa atin araw-araw at sa mga pagkakataon at karanasan na nais niya. But then, my brothers and sisters, the opposite of receiving or accepting is the act of denying. When we deny, we do not want access. We do not want that presence to be with us. We deny presence, we deny the message, and we might even deny the call of that presence to make us holy. This is the reminder of St. John in our first reading, that in the midst of the call to accept Jesus, there is also the presence of people denying Jesus. And they were even called liars, those who deny Jesus. And we saw how accepting Jesus was given light in the life of John the Baptist, that accepting the Lord is also accepting ourselves. Accepting the Lord is also to accept at least an honest view about who we are. That is why He was also honest enough to say, I am not the Christ. I am not the Messiah. I am not Elijah. Alam niyo po, siguro, ilang araw pa lamang po, pangalawang araw pa lang ng taong 2024, maganda na pag-isipan at pagnilayan po natin. Oo, tinatanggap natin ang Panginoon, pero gusto ba natin tanggapin ang kanyang pagpapatotoo sa atin at ang kanyang pagpapatotoo kung sino naman tayo? Yes, we accept the Lord in every way. But then, are we also willing to accept what He wishes, what He wishes for us to say, and what He wishes to lead us unto who we really are? We might be praying, Lord, I accept You with all of my heart this 2024. I accept what You will say about me. I accept what You will tell me to do so. Ibibigay naman po iyan ng Diyos sa atin. But be ready not only to accept the Lord, but be ready to accept who you are when you receive the Lord. Hindi po pwede na, Lord, I accept You, pero wag mong pakialaman ang buhay ko. Lord, I accept You, but please do not tell us anything about who am I. Wala tayong pakialamanan dito. When we have the Lord, my dear brothers and sisters, we give access to Him, and He would like us to know, and we give access to Him, and to what He would like us to know about ourselves. John the Baptist knew and accepted the Lord, and that is why he accepted who He is. My dear brothers and sisters, to accept the Lord is one big package. We cannot accept the Lord but deny His message of growth, His message of honesty in our lives and for ourselves. When we accept the Lord, it's one big package. We accept Him, we also accept who we are because of Him. When we accept the Lord, may we also accept what He would like to say to each and every one of us, and how He would like us to know about ourselves.
Please all stand.
John the Baptist